Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 10 update error code 0x80070541. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all going to your settings of the window, go to your update and security. After that, go to your Windows update. Go to your troubleshoot. Click on addition troubleshooter. Click on a Windows update and click on run troubleshooter. It's required of a few seconds to detecting the problems. If found, then it's automatically resolved it. Now after doing that, close it. If your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your search box and type a cmd. Open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, first of all type a command is net space stop space WUAUSERV and press enter. Now type a net space stop space bits and press enter. Now type a net space stop space CRYPTSVC and press enter. Now type a command is run space c dat / Windows / software distribution space software distribution.old and press enter. After doing this, type a command is run space c dot / Windows / system 32 / catroot 2 space catroot 2.old and press enter. After doing this, type a command is net space start space WUAUSERV and press enter. After that, type a command is net space start space bits and press enter. After doing this, type a command is net start space CRYPTSVC and press enter. Now type the exit command and exit the command prompt. Restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that go to your Google search engine and type a Windows 10 download. Click on a first download 10 disk image. After doing this, click on update now. Click on save button. Open it. Now if your updating is required, now you can see update to latest version of Windows 10. Now click on update now. After updating that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can go to your create Windows 10 installation media. Click on download tool now. Click on save button, and its downloading will be started, and it's required of a few seconds to complete the process. After that, open it. Click on accept button. Click on select upgrade this PC now and click on the next button. When you click on the next button, it's required of a few hours to complete the process, and after completing that, your computer automatically restarts. And after doing this step, I'm sure that your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.